was intense, but it was an intense in a good way. You ever had one of those professors or teachers in your life that really pushes you to do better, to work better or harder, and just required excellence of you? That was my experience with that professor. And so hey future layers, it's your girl Jamel, and welcome back to Jamel's Journey to JD. Today I'll be talking to you guys about my life and how things have been going now that I am in my last year of law school. I actually just finished my fall semester, so I'm getting ready to prepare for the spring semester, but I just wanted to check in with you guys since I know it's been a long time since I've checked in and let you know how school has been going, how life has been going. And so I figured it was time that I talk to you guys about what the updates are and just how I've been overall. So if you guys are ready for this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's hop right into the video. I would say the biggest update so far is that your girl is engaged. I have now entered my fiance era, and you guys, I couldn't be more happy, more excited about being in this era. As you guys know, I do have a honey bun, and he has been featured on this channel for some time, and you know, he's just an amazing man, and I appreciate him and love him so very much. And so if you guys haven't seen the video, I posted 2 videos of one being his 30th birthday vlog. We went to Florida, and then there's a part 2 to the video, which is actually the engagement. So I will show you guys kind of like how, you know, the room was set up and like all the sweet things that just was going on in the room. You actually aren't able to hear like what he's saying to me. We just wanted to keep that private, but I did want to let you guys know that, you know, we are engaged and it has been just a wonderful experience. So I'm absolutely loving being in this era. So yeah, we got engaged September 1st, 2024, and it was just so beautiful and so magical. And it has been just a wonderful feeling. Yeah, being engaged and wedding planning and thinking about what we want that special day to look like. So I do plan to vlog when we go look at wedding venues and you know, just kind of take you guys on that journey of what that looks like. So as for classes, fall semester, I took, I think 14 credits, but they were heavy classes. Okay, so I took a 6-credit course, which was a small business clinic. I also took Trust in the Stage, was a 3-credit. I took advanced legal analysis, which is a required bar prep class, and then I took another bar prep class, legal writing and analysis. Those bar prep courses were 2 credits each. So they were good because they prepared me for the bar. As I said, one was required. The other one is an intensive writing course. It's not a required course, but I do recommend that everybody takes it. And I think actually next year the school is making some adjustments to merge those 2 bar classes together, which I think is a really good idea because it really prepares you for the essay portion of the bar exam. So I'm really happy about that. So that was last semester. So now spring semester, I am going to be taking a lot more classes. I have to take 15 credits, so I'll be taking a full load, which I'm like kind of having mixed feelings about because, you know, of course you want to take it a little bit lighter, your last semester of law school, but that's just the way the cookie crumbled for me. So I'll be taking, all right, let me see if I can remember. I'll be taking trademark law, entertainment, the real estate practicum, another bar prep course which is recommended, and the other bar prep course which is required. So you have to take 2 required bar prep in your final year. That's required in the fall and in the spring. And then I'm taking part 2 of the other bar prep class because I had such a great experience with the intensive writing class for fall that I'm taking part 2 of that same class in the spring. Again, just trying to get as much exposure to bar prep material earlier, you know, so it's a great idea for you to just get feedback from your professors about those classes, well, within those classes regarding the bar exam. So I am really happy about that. This semester, I think I'm most excited about doing the real estate practicum, and I think part of it is because real estate is one of my areas of interest in law, so I'm excited to get some hands-on experience because the first half of the semester I'll be with a title insurance company, And then the second half of the semester, I will be working in a firm. And I think I'm really excited about that class because I took the small business clinic last semester, and that class was intense, but it was an intense in a good way. You ever had one of those professors or teachers in your life that really pushes you to do better, to work better or harder, and just required excellence of you? That was my experience with that professor. And so it was a lot because it was a 6-credit course, and we actually had to like produce work for our clients. It was actually a really good class. But now that I've acquired those lawyering skills in terms of like actual hands-on producing documents and work product for clients, I'm excited to translate those skills from the clinic to the to the real estate practicum, working in a firm, working with a title insurance company, and just like applying those refined transactional skills with the real estate practicum with the firm and the title insurance company. So we'll see, how it goes, and we'll see how things work together. I know I mentioned that I'm also taking some intellectual property courses, such as the trademark law and copyright law. I'm sorry, not copyright, entertainment. I don't know what I said earlier, but it's trademark law and entertainment law. So some IP courses. So I'm excited to see my love for IP developing again, because I did so much work with that in the small business clinic. And as for last semester, I would say my most favorite class or most robust class was the small business clinic. So the small business clinic was really interesting because it was my first like clinical experience. I mean, as you guys know, last summer I interned with the state's attorney's office, and then even the summer before that I worked in fair housing. So this was like my first time working within the transactional law, and it was an opportunity for us to work directly with a client, and I thought it was really good because we got a lot of exposure to what it means to work in a law firm. So our professor was acting, I don't say acting, but he simulated a law firm environment for us, whereas as though he was the, senior attorney or managing partner, someone who's, at the head, and we are his associates working for him, doing the legal research, providing insight into the client's needs. We also conducted client interviews, so that was good. So we worked in pairs, and we worked with individual, like real life clients. So people who own small businesses in the area, they had to submit an application. They would come in, we would do an interview with them, find out what their needs are, financial needs, legal needs, and just learn more about them, how they got started, and find out ways in which we can support them and what legal resources or documents we can provide them to just advance their business. So it was really good. My partner and I, we developed some intellectual property documents for our client. We drafted a partnership agreement for one client. We also produced some contracts for our clients. We did a trademark search. We actually had the opportunity to register our trademark for our clients. So that was really exciting. And yeah, I'm just really, looking forward to what the spring semester is gonna bring. So now that we are only a few more days away from starting our spring semester, you guys, I honestly just cannot believe this is my last semester of law school. And I am really glad that I decided to record myself, document what this process looks like for me, and just been able to share that experience with you guys. I'm not sure who I've been able to impact and what I've been able to inspire within you, but I hope that this process and this journey has inspired you to do something that you maybe always thought about doing, wanted to do, was maybe a little nervous about it. I hope that I've inspired you to take that leap and do the things that are most interesting to you, even if they are really hard. I'm also just looking forward to the year 2025 just in general, because I know this is going to be a really big year for me. And again, I'm just really happy that I just documented this journey. You know, we have the bar exam, we have my birthday. I'm actually turning 30 this year. I want to have a graduation party or graduation party. Just try to figure out how that all going to work out, because I turn 30 in June and I graduate in May. But then I need to study for the bar, which is at the end of July. So just a lot of logistics, but I'm hoping that I can make it all work. And then, you know, just wedding planning. So I'm just really excited to take you guys along with me on the journey and just exploring what this next chapter looks like. Also, since I'm gonna be graduating this May, I'm thinking about what I want this channel to look like moving forward. If you guys have any ideas of other types of content that you would like to see, or even any suggestions on what my new name should be, because it won't be Jamil's Journey to JD anymore. I'll be done with my JD. So thinking about what that name is gonna look like. So if you guys have any suggestions, please drop them in the comments section down below. And yeah, I think that was about it for me in terms of this life update, but I'll be sure to definitely keep you guys posted and try to record more content this semester. So again, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.